we need to get rid of the roosters because they're just costing us in feed for no reason, just for the sake of having more chickens. What's going on, Roger? Afternoon everyone, it's Danny here from the Young Family Homestead. It's not raining, that's good. No, Bunny, you can stay in there. Doing crazies. How do you go get...
Peck the shoe that feeds you.
How do you go getting over the net being pregnant?
It's getting more and more difficult.
Yeah.
But if worse comes to worse, I can just get one of the white T-posts and I can just clip it down a bit more.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I can't push it down and get over at the same time.
Hold on, stand there for a second. I'm trying to move the feed thing. I'm trying to get a side angle of your belly. No, it doesn't count when you do that. Anyway, feed these guys to stop them.
This looks so rough.
How many roosters have we got in here at the moment?
More roosters than girls, I think.
More roosters than girls. That's not a good ratio to have. Next time I'm home, what do you reckon we get rid of some of the roosters?
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Otherwise, there's gonna start being fights.
Oh, hey Lucy. What's going on?
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
I took her food over to her yesterday.
Oh. Those that don't know, Lucy is our goose. She's laying eggs now, but it wasn't that long ago that she was on the nest and got a little bit broody, but we just pulled her little house. We just pulled it outside the fence, and yeah, she was good as new. She was a bit upset for a day or two, but after that she was alright. So. Is this like room service?
Yeah. She might not eat it. She's not looking too crash hot.
Come on.
She just gets so puffy.
She gets so puffy.
Oh, good girl. You need to keep up your strength for your babies. She's such a grumpy butt.
Yeah.
Is that it? That's all you want? Sorry, I got some food on you.
Go for a swim, Lucy. Cool down, man. You don't need to jump on the nest. You've done your job for the day. Hey, what do you use goose eggs for?
You can use them for baking.
Yeah.
The only problem is they make whatever you're baking very dense. So I wouldn't recommend it for anything like a sponge cake.
Yeah. But you can cook with them.
Yeah.
Have we tried eating them?
I have.
Eating them like fried them up?
Yeah.
One thing that we got told about about roosters is that if you chase your rooster, apparently they're not as aggressive. But I think what we might do, two things we might do. Next time I'm home, we'll cull a heap of roosters, and we might look into maybe getting a smaller poultry net. Instead of a 50-metre net, we might look into a 25-metre net. Because that way it'll make it a smaller area, but
So they can work the space a bit harder.
yeah, they can work the space a little bit harder, and it'll be easier to move when I'm not here. Or alternatively, we could potentially set up two lots So that way, all you got to do is open the net, move them into that second spot while I'm away.
Yeah, let's give that a go.
Yeah. That's a brilliant idea. See, this
Figure
this is why I brought the camera down here, because I talk out loud when I've got the camera. But that is a good idea. The only thing is, on the second week, the grass is gonna grow, so the fence might not be as hot. But yeah, we'll do that. We'll look at how much another poultry netting is, and we'll also cull the roosters next time I'm back.
Yeah.
It's the Domino's. It's the Domino's car.
Our only takeaway option.
The only takeaway option around. No, there's Chinese.
Oh yeah.
Talking of Chinese.
They don't deliver though.
Oh no, wait, we've got leftover roast corned beef.
And then they're open on Monday.
They're not open on Monday? Oh, there you go.
What?
I didn't know that. That's how often we have it. We don't even know when they're open and when they're closed. Look at this dust bath they've got. That's like, it's pretty deep. Is that yours? Sorry, mate. What's going on?
Camera shy.
You know that the white one down there with the red comb that you said was a grumpy rooster?
Mm-hmm.
He is a grumpy rooster. He pecked me before.
Did he?
Yeah, he's never pecked me. He usually just comes up to me and likes to hang out and stuff, but
Yeah, I think
pecked me.
the issue is just that there's not enough girls to service.
Yeah.
So isn't the ratio 12 to 1?
No, I don't know. I just know that we've got way too many roosters in there. We need to get rid of the roosters because they're just costing us in feed for no reason. Just for the sake of having more chickens.
Yeah.
And it's actually counterproductive to having the hens in there as well.
Yeah. I'll try and tag all the boys.
Yeah.
While you're away.
Yeah, just put like one of those little red bands on there.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that they're boys.
Yeah. Chicken talk.
My favorite.
Alright. Oh, that would have been fun to mow over. Huh? No, it wouldn't have. It wouldn't have been. That was a sarcastic remark. Neither of them would be fun to mow over.
You're gonna be all rusty.
Bit of WD-40, mate. Job's good.
They need to be sharpened.
Yeah. Well, they're not designed to cut that stuff. That's tin. Alright, we're going inside. I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Actually, no, I'm not. I'm more thirsty than hungry. Might get a beer. Maybe. I'll get a beer. Alright. And this camera today is not doing it. Alright. Alright, that's us. See you in the next one. Bye.